is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a program to understand the usage of relational operators in Java programming language. So let's switch to the IDE Eclipse where we will execute a program and to understand the concept of relational operators in Java. So here we are at the Eclipse IDE. We will click on this button and click on the Java project. From here we will type the name of the project as using relational expressions and click on the next button. Now we'll click on the finish button and then type the name of the module as program temporarily and then click on the create button. Now you can see that we have using relational expression project in IDE Eclipse, and we will right click on the module and then delete it, pressing OK button, and then click on the src folder, right click on it, go to the new option. From here we'll click on the class and here we'll type the class name as program. Click on this public static void menu. It's very important, don't forget to check this box. Click on the finish button. So here we are in the editor. Here we'll type the command as description using relational expression to understand the theme of this program. So here we'll, under the class program, we will type the name of the method static void relational OPS operators, and then under the structure of this static void relational operator we will declare integer variable integer I equal to 10 and integer j equal to 20. Now we will use an if condition and type if I equal to j, which is a false condition, and then use system dot out dot println and declare that I is equal to j, which is not possible because the value I is 10, value of j is 20, so both are not equal. I is equal to j just in case if I eats the value of j, but here the condition becomes false. Now we'll use one more if and type if I is greater than j, which is also a false statement. And under this we will copy this system.out.println and we will type over here I is greater than j, and one more condition we will use if I is less than j. This condition is a true condition because the value of I is 10, the value of j is 20, so I is always less than 10, this according to this program. So this condition will execute and the output will be displayed on the screen with this condition I is less than j, which is a true condition. So we have used all these operators like equal to, greater than, less than. These are all relational operators used in Java programming language. And now we will use under the structure of void relational OPS, we will copy this system.out.println and we'll type with it that I is equal to j, and we will give the value as plus I equal to j. Likewise you will copy this and type 2 times, and here we will type I is greater than j, then here we will type I is greater than j. Here we will type I less than j, and here once again I less than j. Now we will call the above method RELOPS in the main method, which is very necessary to be called because a class, and here we have used this method. To call this method we always need to type the name of the method and then type the parenthesis and then semicolon in order to call that method in the main method, so that we can have the output on the screen. Now we will execute this program, run this program by clicking on the run button. From here we will click on the run as option, click on the Java application. So here you can see the output on the screen. I is less than j is the output because this condition is true condition, because the value of I is less than j, the value of first one I equal to j becomes false, I greater than j becomes false, and since this condition is a true condition, the value of I, which is 10, is less than j, which is 20. So we can see the output I is less than j, but at the same time we have output this 3 by using these 3 statements for printing the output on the screen, like I is equal to j is enclosed in double quotes. You can see I equal to j enclosed in the double quotes as it is on the screen, but at the same time you have give the value as I equal to j, the value goes in parentheses, which means that it will return the boolean function like it is a false or a true condition. Since it's a false condition, so we can see false with it, and likewise we can see I is greater than j is also a false condition, so the plus symbol will return the boolean condition like it's also a false condition. So you can see false on the screen with I is greater than j, and since I is less than j is a true condition, so you can see the plus operator will return the boolean operator, which is I is less than j on the screen, which is a true condition. So you can see true on the screen. So I'm gonna give a space over here, give a colon, and then colon, space, space, colon, space, space, colon, then space. Now execute it one more time and see the output on the screen. So you can see I is less than j. This is the output which we can see on the screen because this condition has become true. I is less than j, value of I is 10, value of j is 20, and now here we can see whatever is enclosed in double quotes as it is displayed on screen. I is equal to j colon I greater than j colon and I less than j colon, all enclosed in double quotes. You can see as them printed as it is on the screen, on the output screen, but the value of I equal to j has become false. In the boolean, according to the boolean operator, we can see a false result over here, like I is greater than j has also become false because it's a false condition. So the plus operator will return the boolean result false. Likewise I is less than j is a true condition, since you can see the value of I is also is less than j in this program, so you can see true in front of it. So viewers, here is the summary of this program. Of a program we have executed it and have seen the output on the screen using the Eclipse ID. Now the summary of this program is operators are used with special symbols. They perform specific operation. The outcome of relational expression is a Boolean. Arithmetic operators are used for mathematical operations. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss logical and ternary operators in Java language.